Good morning, students. In this session, we will learn about Internet ethics and safeguard. Few terms like spam, phishing, keylogger, and saved password. We have heard the word spam, that is junk mail. Several times we come across the word spamming. What is exactly spamming? It involves sending unwanted messages by spammer to a large number of recipients. It can be used to deliver emails that contain viruses and targeted attacks aimed at obtaining sensitive personal identification information. Also, some spam may include hidden text that becomes visible only if you highlight the content. It is common trick that spammers use to get their email to pass through spam filters without detection. How can we save ourselves from this spamming? There are certain precautions. First, sign up for email filtering through your ISP or use an anti-spam program. Do not click links in spam or reply to spam for any reason. If you suspect an email is spam, do not respond, just delete it. Keep your security software up to date. The next term is phishing. Here in the diagram we can see we have two computers. From one computer, a person is trying to steal the data of another computer. This is actually phishing. So what is phishing? Phishing is a scam in which you will receive an official or legitimate looking email message that attempts to obtain your personal or financial information. These messages look legal and request you to update your credit card numbers, bank account numbers, passwords, or other private information. Phishing scams can be executed via email messages, websites, or even on the phone. What precautions can we take to avoid phishing? First, enable phishing filter in your browser that can warn or block you from suspicious websites. While visiting a bank's website that will require you to enter confidential information, be sure to type the web address correctly. Typing it incorrectly may you have to a phishing website where the information you enter can be collected by unknown party. Never click on the links in email messages, even if you know the sender. If you receive a phone call from someone claiming to be from a legitimate company or bank, record caller name and the time of the call. Do not disclose personal or financial information to the caller. The next term is keyloggers. Keylogger. It means keystroke logging. It is a type of software that gets installed very easily and often found on public computers. It records keystrokes you make to enter the data in the computer in a hidden file. Now, what are the precautions which are needed for keyloggers? If you use a public computer for critical activities, be certain to sign out of any password protected website and to clear the browser history. Second, avoid checking your email or perform banking activities on public computers. These computers may be running keyloggers, which record keystrokes in a hidden file and other tracking software. Sometimes, when we log into some website, we are asked, "Do you want to save your password for this site?" Be alert, it is a trap. Never click on the save password. Always click on never. Saved password. When you add username and password login your account in a particular website, web browser sometimes displays a prompt message that offers to remember the password you have written? If you click on yes, then access the website in future, the web browser bypasses the login page and takes you directly to the site. Therefore, anyone uses your computer can also access your account from the site. So what is the precaution? Always click on no when your web browser prompts to remember the